So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add your Mastercard to your Apple Wallet on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up, just go to the bottom left and press on Home. And then under the Spend tab right here, so for example, if you're on Credit or Borrow, just go to where it says Spend. Press on your virtual card right here. Once you're on this page right here, you're able to see your virtual MasterCard. Now, if you were to slide this over, you could actually get a physical MasterCard as well. But in this case, we're just going to focus on our virtual MasterCard. And if you want to add this to your wallet over here, go to the bottom, press where it says Add to Apple Wallet, and then press Add. And then it'll transfer this card over to your Apple Wallet where you can then pay on your Apple device. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add your MasterCard to your Apple Wallet on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.